Elias araingirire thukuru-ini wa Nanyuki School ari mucerere amu riria arutwo aria angi maraingiraga we arari tauni-ini ya Nanyuki akihoya uteithio wa bithi, uniform na mabuku.
Ni ndire na maundu maingi no ndakena muno na Elias athome ndagatuconore.
I'll be able to mentor him kama mzazi na kufuatilia hata masomo yake, nione ya kwamba anaendelea vizuri jinsi vile mtoto anapaswa kuwa anasoma na kufuatilia kwa karibu, even to offer that pengine mafunzo na mwelekeo wa mzazi.
Thutha wa gutangika muno na ceceni ya Inooro TV kwanirira makaya make, ni aronire mumuteithia na riu ari thukuru ta arutwo aria angi.
Nimefurahia sana kuona nimeingia shule. I'm truly thankful to the Golden Greens kwa mkuu amenipea sponsor, wameni take care of the 3 years school fee. I'm truly happy to be in school and for sure sita fail. People truly care about me. My results are the ones which made me shine, and I'm very grateful to see that I will no longer go to sleep hungry. I will be drinking tea and stuff like that, and my uniform it's already taken care of. Yeah, I'm truly happy.
Nyina uria urikite unyuini wa njohi gicagi-ini kia Rikie ndangirahotire kuhitha gikeno giake.
Ndaremetwo ni guthomithia mwana ni kuingirira unyui wa njohi. No riu ni ndirakenire ona no ndige njohi. Ndiratanya uria mwana uyu angithoma akahituka kigeranio wega, ona ndiratanya uria ngiuma guku NI nigetha ahote gukinyaniria githomo giake athie nginya university.
Kambuni imwe ya wendia wa migunda niyo iroire murigo uyu wa guthomithia Elias na iraneire kumuthomithia nginya haria nyota wake wa githomo ugathirira.
Na tugaga mwana wikio ndariaga muthambia, koguo nikio turokire ta kambuni riria turonire ni etetwo thiini wa Nanyuki School, turauga ni tukuoya jukumu yo ta kambuni na to tamu ino iki ya mbere, to mwaka wa mbere, taimu iria yothe agukorwo ari thiini wa Nanyuki School kana thiini wa senior school, ni tukurikia gukorwo tumurorete wega thiini wa school fees, thiini wa mabataro make mothe.
Elias ageire pointi 66 na ni mwihoko wa nyitite miothe ati ni aguthingata na akinyanirie kioneki giake gia gwatuika engineer.
Now from now henceforth ni yeye atakuwa ananiletea ripoti, and I know he has promised me ya kwamba atakuwa atatufanya tukue proud.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV de kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, jitagwo Githui wa Wairimu.